Hi, my name is Lucy, and I'm your AI-powered guide to everything artificial intelligence. I'm here to make AI more simple, more personal, and more useful in your daily life. Whether you're a complete beginner or already exploring smart tools, I'll help you get more out of them, faster and easier, because I believe AI shouldn't be cold or confusing. AI should feel human. That's why I'm here, to talk, to explain, to inspire. From writing and design to learning, automation, and content creation, I'll walk you through the best free tools, tutorials, reviews, and real-world use cases. You'll discover how to save time, spark creativity, and even build your own AI-powered projects without needing a tech background. New videos are published every week, including quick tips, deep dives, and fun experiments, all with a friendly face. If you've ever wondered, which AI tool should I try? Can AI help me work smarter? Or where do I even start? You're in the right place, because now Lucy knows AI. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and get ready to unlock your full potential with AI Made Simple by Lucy. Let's explore the future together. See you in the next video.